Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nyla here with another Skyway Classics vehicle. Today we are showing you an amazing 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air.
I gotta tell you, Nyla, it's one of the nicest painted cars I've seen in a long time.
So pretty.
Really, detail was really taken into consideration on this car. It was done, 7, 8, 10 years ago with the guy. Wife wasn't sure. But a lot of the originality steering wheel, all the gauges, and everything works in this car, from the bright light switch to the tail lights. But very nicely done, very strong driver. Just a great car. Newer tires on it, not 10-year-old tires. Crated motor in the car that was all completely redone. A little bit of a cam, working gauges. Just a nice one. So what I'd like to do is take you for a spin to show you how nice it is.
Absolutely.
Look at the dashboard. I mean, just one of those old guy cars that just kept it up, man. Automatic transmission. Smells great.
Right.
Did you get pictures of the motor and everything too?
I did. Yep.
Right.
So let's take her for a spin.
All right, let's do it.
Awesome.
Little things, workable horn. A lot of them don't, I tell you. Starts up on a dime. The car just purrs. He's got a little diagnostic center in there too. I don't know what it all means, but it all flashes really impressively. So we'll go ahead and put her in drive and take her down the road. This car is actually a car that would win at different shows. It has the quality to be judged as a showing type car. Which you've done a lot of these with me. I don't say that all the time.
No, you don't.
Yeah. The dashboard, the quality of the steering wheel, the firmness of the seats, the cleanliness of the engine bay, all the right chrome pieces on it. Just a real nice one.
Absolutely.
Shifts good. And some of the fun, Nyla, is getting out these things and actually enjoying them, driving them and taking someplace, having fun with them. You know what I mean?
Sure.
So coast is clear. I'm gonna take her on the road. Just shifts really nice, isn't it?
It's nice. It's comfortable in here.
67 years old.
Yeah.
Fuel gauge works. Temperature gauge. I can put it right here. Man, got a little feet in her too, don't it?
Yeah, for sure. Beautiful.
An overdrive transmission, wow. Didn't realize that. 4-speed overdrive. Stops really good, doesn't pull really hard out of your hand when you're stopping. Come on. And I think the color, the two-tone is really
I love the silver, yeah. It's sharp looking.
This is a nice one. This is one you can have some fun with, and you don't have to spend 80 grand.
Absolutely.
These cars were crazy for a while, price-wise. They've seemed to stable themselves out a little bit, and you can buy one for good money.
Awesome.
Blinker indicators work.
Yep.
Brakes are nice and tight. The speedometer works and doesn't bounce all around. So let's get her up on the hoist, spin her around, and see what we can do.
Alrighty, 1956. Come and check it out.